It's important when using Pro to make sure you download your emergency kit. We do encrypt your private key across multiple devices so that there's a low chance that you do lose it. But in case you would lose all your devices, you need to have that private key via your emergency kit to bring all your data back. So to do that, you can type Dotenvx Pro settings, and you'll see a command here for emergency kit, and just type emergency kit. And then we can open that up. And there you go. There's your Dotenvx emergency kit with the private key. Now you'll see that it's hidden there. So what you need to do is actually run it, Dotenvx Pro with unmask. And now if you open that up, you'll see there's your public key, your private key, and the recovery phrase, and you can keep that somewhere safe.